Andeli Group Company Limited, founded in 1985. Is a leading group in the electrical industry, integrating research and development, production, sales, and investment with cross-industries and no regional limitation in China. Andeli has 12 shareholding companies in Hunan, Qinghai, Zhejiang, and the Middle East, and over 300 member enterprises. The registered capital of Andeli is 101 million yuan. Its total assets have reached 667 billion yuan in year 2014, and annual sales revenue is nearly 1 billion yuan. Andeli has obtained China Top 500 Private Enterprises, High-Tech Enterprise, Provincial Research and Development Center, Zhejiang Export Top Brand, China Electric Growing Force Top 10, and other honors. Over the years, People's Government in Yueqing City has awarded Andeli the Top 10 Enterprise of Yandan Cup, Star Enterprise, Top 10 Foreign Trade Import and Export Enterprises, Dynamic Harmonious Enterprise, and other honors. Over years of innovation and development, Andeli provides global customers high and low voltage electrical equipment, complete sets of equipment, power transformer, instruments and meters, welding equipment, and wire and cable. Andeli has more than 300 series of products and more than 10,000 specifications. Andeli also has a badge of independent intellectual property rights and intelligent electrical new products heading for the market. At present, our products obtain Measurement Test System Certification, Standardization System Certification, CCC Certification, TUV, KEMA, SAMCO Certification, CB, CE, and other international certification. As a professional and excellent electric enterprise in China, Andeli Group always adheres to first-class management, first-class products, first-class service as the purpose of the enterprise management. On the basis of the advanced production equipment, Andeli sets up technical development department and testing center. Andeli strictly implements the international standard from the mold design and processing to the standardized management and each production link. Andeli has passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, and OASIS 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification. Andeli Group always adheres to the integrity, practical, hard-working, innovative spirit of enterprise, actively cooperating with domestic and foreign research institutes. Andeli also fully adopts the international advanced design software to develop low-voltage apparatus with high performance, high reliability, miniaturization, modularization, and intelligence. Currently, Andeli has more than 1,000 sales outlets throughout the country and 5 overseas trade offices. And Andeli brand especially has good market and influence in the Middle East. With 30-year persistent innovation, Andeli believes that the larger the enterprise, the greater the social responsibility. Therefore, Andeli offers large donation to the society. Andeli actively encourages the staff to participate in learning by funding annual education and training fee and working out all kinds of education and training plan. Many domestic and foreign well-known experts, scholars, and training institutions are invited to give lectures in Andeli. More than 800 Andeli staffs attend training in year 2014. Only continuous innovation can Andeli stand out in electric industry. Only continuous progress can Andeli stand out in the world economy. Andeli Group will inherit excellence, continue the classic, pursue perfection, and create bright future together with elite in each industry.